Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. In the month of June, after a big drop, the price line completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup, and I shared this pattern on 13th of June with my members at the Patreon, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move that XRP formed in the month of June. And I also shared a video with you when I told you that we can expect a very big pump after the completion of this big harmonic bullish reversal setup. And this was the video, by the way, that I shared in the month of June with you. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Now, first of all, let me to show you this pattern, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line can do next, because this time again, XRP has formed another similar pattern on the same time frame, on the long-term weekly time frame chart. And this was the Gartley move that the price line completed on the weekly time frame, and after the completion of this leg, the price line was supposed to move up from here as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley. And our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern was from $1.09 and goes to $1.66. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved inside more inside this buying zone and reversed bullish and rallied up to $1.41, moved down again, and again we had another rally up to $1.34 and again moved down. That was more than 150% rally, and during this move the price line has formed another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move that I've shared a few days back for my members at the Patreon here. Let me show you this pattern as well. Here, this is the pattern that the price line has completed, and you can see at that time it was after the completion of this final leg, moved slightly up above this buying zone. Therefore I told my members that we can wait for the correction, and after some correction, when it will be moved down inside the buying zone, then we can catch it from there. And by the way, this time we also had very nice support of the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame inside the buying zone. Therefore this pattern is very strong. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line indeed moved down, and now it is at the 100 simple moving average support. And our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley are 97.5 cents and goes to $1.26. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here the price line you can see is at the 100 simple moving average support, and at the same time on the weekly time frame it has also formed a falling wedge pattern as well. Now for any big move, we need to break out this resistance of the falling wedge, and once it will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then first resistance will be approximately here at 93 cents, and the final resistance will be approximately here at $1.33. So we can follow the targets of this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move once the price line breaks out this falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.